it's Susan here from Komori no Hime Cosplay, and today we're going to be making the shirt that Sakura wears as part of her performance outfit in Zombieland Saga. For the base shirt for Sakura, I tried looking in my local craft store to see if they had any t-shirts in light pink, and I could find dark pink but not light pink, so I ended up ordering mine off Amazon. I'll put an affiliate link in the description box below if you want to see the exact shirt that I got. One thing I should point out if you do end up getting this shirt is that it does run a little bit small, so just something to keep in mind. Then I took a disappearing ink pen and sketched on where the designs are going to go. So we have the number 1, and then we have the kind of a paisley heart-shaped thing with the 2 flowers in it, and then the other heart-shaped thing down there. So don't worry too much about getting them perfectly, because to be honest, the shape and position of these designs on her shirt changes constantly with the reference images in the show and when it switches from being more of a 2D style to the CG when they're dancing, so just don't worry about making them perfect, because I know these are definitely not going to be perfect. Lay the shirt out on a flat surface, and then we're going to insert this is a placemat, or you can put a piece of cardboard, something inside so that the paint doesn't go through both layers of the shirt. Then I just took some cheap fabric paint that I got at my local AC Moore and then painted in the designs. And with that, Sakura's shirt is done. For more cosplay tutorial videos, please subscribe, and thank you very much for watching!